and welcome to another sensory recipe video. Each week I take a different recipe from my Sensory Recipes ebook to test out. This is how to make your own coloured, taste-safe kinetic sand. For this recipe, you will need a mixing bowl, oil-based food colouring, some vegetable oil, and some all-purpose or plain flour. Add 1 tablespoon of oil to your bowl. Then add your chosen colour. You just need a few drops. Stir in the colour so it's combined. And add in half a cup of flour. Stir again to combine. Once the oil has attached into little balls into the flour, use your fingers to combine and crumble it in your fingers until it is a sand-like texture. Break up any large balls of oil. Kinetic sand is fantastic for moulding into different shapes, and then it stays there. And then you crumble it up and it gets dry again. Really great sensory tool, especially for children that don't like slime or wet textures. Great for mark making too. And then when you're done, store it in a bag or in a Tupperware container. If you would like to download or print this recipe, as well as loads others like it, then you can download my sensory recipe book from my website. The link's in the description. See you next time.